In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename artboards in Adobe Illustrator. If your projects include multiple screens, mock-ups, or iterations, clear artboard names can save you time and prevent mix-ups during export or handoff. Renaming is quick, it doesn't affect your artwork or dimensions, and it makes your file far easier to navigate. Start by opening your document in Illustrator. With the file on screen, go to the top menu, choose Window, and select Artboards. This opens the Artboards panel, which lists every artboard in your document alongside its number and a small preview thumbnail. Think of this panel as your control center for organization. It's the easiest way to see everything at a glance and confirm you're working on the correct artboard. In the panel, find the artboard you want to rename. If you have many, scroll through the list and use the thumbnails and numbers to double check you've got the right one. When you're ready, double-click directly on the artboard's existing name. The name field becomes editable. Type your new descriptive name, something like Home, Product Detail, or V2 Dark, and then press Enter or Return to confirm. You don't have to do anything else. The panel updates immediately, and that name will appear in export dialogs, PDFs with multiple artboards, and any batch exports you run, which makes managing output files much clearer. There's another convenient way to rename directly on the canvas. Select the Artboard tool by pressing Shift+O on your keyboard, or pick it from the toolbar. Click once on the artboard you want to rename so its bounds are highlighted. Now look to the controls at the top of the interface, often called the control bar, or to the properties information shown for the selected artboard. You'll see a field labeled Artboard Name. Click in that field, type the new name, and press Enter or Return. You'll see the name update instantly, both on the canvas and in the Artboards panel. A few tips for clarity and consistency: keep names short but specific, and use a simple pattern you can repeat across the document, for example, a device or size prefix followed by the screen name. Avoid characters that can cause issues in file names like slashes. If you're working with multiple variants, include the version in the name so it's obvious during export. Remember, artboard numbers reflect order, while names are how you and your team identify content. That's all.